Welcome back to the channel, y'all. I'm Ronya for everybody that's new here. I just got my nails done. I wanted to show those off because I think they were really cute. Look at those, ain't they cute? All right, anyway, off topic. I stripped my hair color and I made a YouTube short about it. So if you have blue, green, purple hair, or you just want to see how I achieved this, you can watch that YouTube short. It's 59 seconds, like it's not that long. Anyway, I did a poll, asked you guys what next color y'all wanted to see. A lot of you said ginger, a lot of you said burgundy. We just try to do both. Fingers crossed we can achieve this look because yeah, I'm just different and I want to try to have both colors. So let's go ahead and go on another adventure to the salon.
To the salon!
I'm new to the hair dye, hair coloring world, so I wanted to try to not mess up too bad. I purchased several different variations of the ginger and the red, and I said, well, let me bleach some human hair first. So I got this kinky curly human hair that I just happen to have laying around the house, like some of us do. And I bleached it. Well, I thought I bleached it, y'all. I put it on for an hour and it only lightened up to a brown, which defeated the whole purpose because I wanted the bleached hair to have the color on so I could get an idea of how it would look on my real hair. So I went with the next best thing, which was just to get a piece of paper and put the color on there and wing it. Y'all, I even tried to get like a yellow piece of paper to try to match the color of my bleached hair and mix colors together to see how it looked. And yeah, it really doesn't tell me much. So yeah, we just gonna wing it, and y'all can tell me in the comments, you know, how I messed up, where I went wrong, that sort of thing. But this is just, you know, it's going to be a learning curve for all of us because this is my first time doing this. I had a little bit of bleach left over and I wanted to lighten my hair just a little bit at the top for the burgundy to show, but I didn't want to like overly bleach it, so I was being extra careful, and I literally just saturated it with developer, which is also another reason why this probably didn't work, because I left it on my head and my hair did not lighten, not one bit. But it also probably was a good idea because if you watch my Ulta video, you know that the stylist applied the blue color on top of my regular color. So I can tell you when I washed it out, I did have some of that blue hair dye coming out. I'm using this cheap clarifying shampoo because clarifying shampoos tend to strip color, and since I still had some remnants of green, I wanted to use that. The instructions also said to have your hair clean and damp, so I washed both the top of my head and the bleach part as well, so both could be damp. And if you are wondering why I look like Casper the Friendly Ghost, I went to the $1.25 tree store and I needed to get petroleum jelly, but this one says creamy and I did not realize that. So yeah, they switched it up on me. They no longer have just the regular like petroleum jelly to protect your edges and stuff, like your skin. So yeah, that's why it's white. If you look at the color wheel, it says that red does cancel out green. So I'm putting up a dollop, however you want to call this measurement, of the intense red. Then I'm applying a full squirt of the orange blaze. And then I'm following up with the Cajun spice, a full squeeze until, you know, the bottle is ready for me to squeeze again. So that's how much I used it. I don't really know what the measurements are, just kind of follow like that's what I did, that's how much it is. I got me a little spoon, mixed that around together, and this is the color it was showing up on the spoon. Not really sure, you know, how it's going to look on my hair, but that's what we're working with right now. And I will apologize in advance for some of these, you know, shots that I'm doing. I did not want to waste any dye on the floor, so I'm being extra careful and I'm staying close to the mirror and over the foil and the plastic that I have laid down. But the instructions did say to brush the color through, so I'm just using a brush and dipping my hair into the, you know, like the little plastic container that has the dye in it. And this is how I ended up looking. It looks pretty much like I just sprayed ketchup all over me. If you saw the short thing, you know I already know about using some ketchup. But I left that in my hair and I went on to the next, which was going to be the intense red. And I also used the paprika. Now, both of these together look like they would be a really pretty burgundy. However, since my hair was not lightened, I was already concerned that it would not show up. And honestly, after I let both of these colors sit in my hair and took them out and washed them, I couldn't see it, but I'll let you guys be, the determination of that. I was really just proud of myself for even being able to do this on my own without anyone's help. And I was able to save some money instead of having to go to the salon to do it. So I just let this sit in my hair and hoped that everything would go well. I also wanted to show this part because it did say on the instructions to apply with heat, and I do have a hooded dryer, but I know there some people don't have a hooded dryer, so I'm just using this hair dryer that was in the bathroom that I was in. It's not really the best one for this type of experiment, but it got the job done. It applied, the heat that I needed. Now, I'm showing you the products that I use, but at this point, I was so tired, you guys. I had been standing up on my feet for several hours and not wanting to go in any room because I, had just all that dye on me. I didn't want to risk it getting on the carpet. So I'll leave it in the description box, the products that I use. But here I am getting ready to sieve my hair for the first time because I did not have any mirrors when I was washing my hair out. Y'all, this is what color it came out like. I don't know if you call this ginger. I don't know if you call it red. I don't know if you call it copper. Y'all let me know what you guys think. Also, my hair is still wet, so it could be lighter than this. I don't know. Again, all the products that I'm using in my hair, I'll leave in the description box below, but I'm just applying some moisturizer. It's like the marshmallow. And then I'm also going over with my Bond Bar styling cream because I did notice that my bleached hair, after I did that remover, it is looking a little straighter on my curls than it did before. So I want to go ahead and start, repairing and help build it back up to where my curls are popping again. I always do wash and goes, and I said in one of my vlogs that I wanted to expand my horizons and try something different. So I'm attempting to do a braid out, but I also will put some flexi rods on the ends just because I said, my curls were looking, not as curly at the end. So this is just something new that I'm trying out. I, will only get better from here, especially since I'm not used to, braid outs and flexi rods and all that stuff, but I'm looking forward to, getting into that area. But what I did is I braided all of my hair and then I put the flexi rods at the ends. Y'all, I was beyond tired. I don't know if you can tell with the lighting, but the sun was going down and I started this process early in the morning. But the final thing that I did was add some oil to my scalp. I'm running low on the oil that I have been using, but this Main Choice oil is another great oil. I put my bonnet on and called it a night and went to sleep. Here it is 2 days later. Yes, I did say 2 days later because I do have low porosity hair, so I wanted to make sure that my rods, braids, whatever you want to call this, was fully dry. I do have a hooded dryer at my house, but I did not want to apply any heat to my hair since I just, had stripped the color out of it and dyed it. So I did want to, try to give it enough time to fully dry. And that's when I noticed that some of these were still not fully dry. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and stop recording and show you what it looks like all together. And bam, y'all, this is what the puff was looking like. I was so tempted to wear this, but I said, you know what? Let me just wear my hair down so y'all can get the full effect. Y'all, oh my gosh, look at this color. Now, I don't know if it's ginger. I don't know if it's red. I don't know if it's, what is that color? Copper, I think. I don't know. But y'all let me know what color it is because I don't know what color it is. It's my first time doing this, And I definitely have some frizz going on. This is not my normal type of hairstyle. I normally do wash and goes, but I'm going to give myself an A for effort, because we gotta, we gotta let ourselves know, hey, you stepped outside your box. Kudos to you for trying. And I think I'll only get better from here. But yeah, we definitely have some frizz going on. I did have some pieces of hair that was still wet. But yeah, what do y'all think? Let me know what y'all think. And tell me if y'all see any burgundy. Like, I feel like there's bits and pieces of burgundy up here, but I don't really see them. So let me know if I should try lifting my hair again to like a brown color and then going back over with the burgundy, or if I should just leave it as is. Let me know, because I'll be listening to y'all. Oh, and let me show y'all the back real quick. This is the back, and this is how it looks. So it's raining right now and cloudy, so I'll try to see if I can get some natural light for y'all, but I'm sitting in front of the window. The sun's not out, so, but I'll still try to go outside and see if I can get a better shot for y'all. Hold on. I waited a little bit and then I went to the grocery store. So this is how my hair looks like inside of the grocery store lighting. And this is me outside of the grocery store in natural light. As you can see, it's very cloudy. It was raining. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And I hope that you guys enjoyed coming on this adventure with me. And, thanks. Until next time. Peace.